Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I wanted to share an Alina craft design team project with you guys, and I used several dies from her new release. This is the first one here that I used, and I created a birthday card. So let me go ahead and share that with you right now. So I decided to go ahead and create an easel card, and I also used this happy birthday die and then this oval shaped die here. I forgot what release that's from, but I'll try to find the links for you guys for that particular die because that was an older die. So here is my card. I love the way it came out. It's so cute. It is an easel card, so I did use, let's see, this one of the bows that I created. This is the pom-pom bows that I had shared before. I used that happy birthday die and I popped it up on some foam dots. Used also this organza trim from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love using that right now, so you're gonna kind of see that throughout my projects. And I also use lots of her bling, my favorite bling from Alina Craft. Also those 3 heart flatbacks there I also used. And that's it. It's a very simple card, and I just did my layering. And the paper that I use for this is the Flower Market by Cardabella. So I love that collection. Then I went ahead and played with a few more of her dies from her April release. Oh no, sorry, this is not the April release. Is it the March? I think. But anyway, she does have a new release right now, so it's some more fun dies. So anyway, I used those 4, and again, I used that not farmer's market, but the flower market paper by Cardabella. And I was watching Septeria 18, and I found a video tutorial of hers where she created a matchbox with some compartments inside, and I think this was a year ago. So I followed her tutorial on how to create the matchbox, and here's what I came up with. It's a shaker on top. So I basically used lots of sequins here from Alina Craft, just different sequins. I will list it in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And there's the die cut, and all I did was I actually used some journaling cards from the collection, and then I layered the organza and then the die cut, and then I did some stitching around to create a shaker. Use lots and lots of sequins, and I also used those metallic thread that I recently purchased. I used a brad for the pull, and a bling, my favorite bling from Alina Craft, of course, that clear flatback gem. And the paper I use, this is actually a glimmer paper. It's called glimmer paper, and I got a pack of it from Tuesday Morning, and they came in pastel colors, and it's by My Mind's Eye, and I love this pack. I just love the colors. I thought the colors went well with the colors I was working with, nice spring colors. And I created my box. Now, I forgot what her name is, but Septeria 18, she had went further and made smaller compartments by using a couple of dividers, and she shows you that on her video, so I'll make sure I leave the link so you guys check it out. But I only did these compartments. I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to put in there yet, so I didn't make the small compartments, but I might just go back and do that depending on what I'm putting inside it. And I just love the fun Easter colors, spring colors, if you will. So I really love the way these came out. And I went ahead and created another one here using the other die, the heart-shaped flourish die. And there are the journaling cards. So this is just a great way to use up some journaling cards that you may have. It fits perfectly on top of this box. So love the size of it. And so there's my first two. I put some trim on the bottom, and again used some the large flower sequence there on top. That is from my stash, but the rest are Alina Craft sequins and gems. So all the boxes pretty much are the same, except for I just used different colors. And what's nice about it is you can create this whole box, the base, just by using one 12 by 12 cardstock. So that's what I loved about her tutorial. It does require you to do a lot of scoring. So, you know, you do have to write down the measurements. But once you get a hang of it, as you can see here, I actually created 4 of them. So here I used this rose gold textured cardstock from Alina. So I'll make sure I link that. Oh, and this bow up there, that is from my friend Mimi. Hey girl. I've been using a lot of her bows because she made so many for me. So there's my third one, and then for the last one here, I did some fussy cutting and fussy cut some flowers. So I made a little flower cluster, and then I used some glitter cardstock from my stash for the hummingbird. And these dies are just so intricate and fun and easy to cut. I really enjoyed just making these with the Alina Craft dies. They're just so pretty and perfect for spring. And as you can see there, I just did the same thing, put trim and a brad, and there's my box. So make sure you guys check out Septeria. I'll leave the link, and also Alina Craft store for the dies that I used in my project share today. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will talk to you later. Have a great week. Bye.